Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween tutorial and I'm going to be recreating Frida Kahlo, but from the Coco movie, one of my favorite movies. So what I'm going to be using today is the paint from Unity Star Pro. And I got this one at Amazon and it was $30. It comes with a variety of colors. However, I will talk about it in a little bit about how I feel about this paint. But what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm drawing her face. For my eyes, I'm going to be using a glue stick. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply it on my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go with a spoolie and I'm going to lift my eyebrows up. You can either conceal them. What this does is it helps you keep your eyebrows in one place so you can actually paint wherever you want. You can use it even if you do like any type of makeup. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing the eyes. I'm outlining the eyes with the same white paint, and then I'm gonna go with the white paint and I'm gonna go all over except the eyes. I'm gonna go all over the face, and then I'm gonna start drawing a bone. Now, I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to body paint because this is probably the first time that I do this. I tried my best with doing the bones. You can, look at a picture and kind of see bone structure. What I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be using the yellow paint and I'm going to put it as her shirt, and I'm going to be using also the orange paint. And it's kind of just making her shirt. As you guys can see, she has a orange and yellow shirt. And then I'm drawing X's on top of the yellow part of the shirt. And then for the patterns of that she has on the shirts, you can add more details. Me, mostly, I was kind of just trying to focus on the face, so I didn't do as many details. And like I said, I'm kind of new to this. Then you want to put black everywhere. I decided to put black even on the ears so it can blend in with the back. And I went all the way to my hairline, and my roots are black. What I also did was I added a wig cap that's black so it can kind of just blend in. So I'm going to do that. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the white paint, and you're going to be really careful. Again, I wasn't really that careful because I thought I was going to fix it afterwards. But you're going to draw a straight line, and it's going to be like a bone. And then you're going to go paint it all black. Now I'm going to be doing the nose. And then later on, you guys are going to see that I kind of changed the nose because it wasn't the way that I wanted it to be. Her nose is more of like an 8 or something like that. It looks weird. That's more like a round. So then I'm going to put black on the eyes. And what I'm also doing is I'm adding a second layer of white paint. And the reason why I'm doing this is because the paint wasn't that good, to be honest. It was very light. And I really didn't like how it applied. So I had to apply several layers. So what I'm doing next is I'm using eyeshadow, and I'm going to draw the bone line. I'm going to put it next to where it divides the black and the white. And I'm going to put it all over there just so it can give it like a shadowy dimension. And then just to make it a little more darker, I'm adding a black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow I use from Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm adding the black eyeshadow everywhere. You can obviously add orange eyeshadow wherever you want, but I think I needed it mostly in the black so it can be darker. Next, I'm using my NYX liner, and I'm doing her famous eyebrows because of course you can't miss that for Frida. After that, I took orange. I didn't show it, but I took kind of like a orangey color, and I kind of made it like a C, you would say, halfway around the eye. And then I'm grabbing the yellow and I'm going right under there. What I'm going to do next is Frida does have flowers on her forehead. So I'm doing purple leaves, I'm doing yellow flowers, I'm putting green leaves, and just a regular orange flower on the face. Sorry. Now for the lips, you can grab any red lip gloss, lipstick that you have. I grabbed my brightest red, which is from the Color Pop from the I Love Saray collection. And then what I did was these flowers are really pins, and I bought 2 of them from Claire's, and I also got the earrings from Claire. What I also did was I went to the beauty shop, and I grabbed hair, fake hair. It cost me literally $3, and then I just braided, and I braided around my whole head, and I just pinned my head, which when I pinned the flowers right on top of the braid, and it was so easy. This look took me a while because, like I said, this was the first time trying it. I think it came out pretty good. I mean, you guys be the judge. If you guys want to see any other looks, just leave comments down below. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. I'm gonna be doing more Halloween tutorials. If you guys have any special requests, please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like and share this video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.